Hey there guys, I'm going to try to do a pod video. Well, my favorite type of pod, I tried the CP. Really nice and easy to open. These I think are about $3 at your local store. Then I got these pods for $1 at, I think, Paintball Gateway in their dollar section. And then I found this random pod at the field. So the best thing for pods is make sure they have this little groove on them to make them easy open. I recommend at least having 2 or 3 pods in your gear bag, then always 2 extra to have in your bag. I'm going to try to get, I'll be right back, I'm going to go get some pods. I'll show you my gear bag type thing. It's going to take a couple seconds. Well, here's where I keep all my paintball crap. See, I should have a couple pods back here. That's like all my random paintball crap, my cast pot, my paintball caddy, all my random crap. So I got 2 more pods. I like to keep the doors closed while I'm making videos. Okay, now back to my little lecture. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pods. Okay, I'm going to tell you how not to get your pods stolen. As you can see, I have marked all my pods. It's either black tape or custom painting. I guarantee you no one at the field is ever going to have a pod that looks like this. Blue pod with green painting, then orange and brown top, and then a camouflage stripe, or yellow stripes and a blue pod. You can read, this says, my pod, hands off. Then I have my name tag on there, so if someone tries to steal it, I can go yell at them. Best way to not get your pods stolen, I'll say this again, is make sure you mark them. I even have my black pods, I have tape on them. So I'm going to do some pod reviews. These are the Gen X Global. Great pods for $1. Easy to open, no problem. $1 at Paintball Gateway right now. Just make sure you don't buy them alone, buy them with something else. I bought 2 of them at once, so that kind of helped me. And then I have this paintballgear.com, it's an Action Village pod I found at the field. It was in the woods field, I think. Pretty easy to open. I think it's too flimsy. Then my all-time favorite, the CP pods. Can't hate them, you gotta love these things. Got 2 CP barrels with my guns. Try it. If you're on a budget, I'm going to recommend these dollar pods. If you just want all around great pods, get the CP. If you're on a really tight budget, after games, just go look around the field. You'll find tons of pods. I found barrel socks. I found pods. I even found half a barrel once. Some idiot left half their barrel on the field. I found squeegees. I found pretty good things at the field. Well, that's pretty much my pod video. If you like what you see, subscribe.